Behold the 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster Spyder, reimagined to perfection. The stock mid-engine flat-six has been expertly replaced with a DeMan Performance 4.5-liter powerhouse, unleashing a breathtaking 565 horsepower. This marvel of engineering is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch PDK automatic transmission in 3.89 gearing, delivering seamless shifts that keep you in complete control of its raw power. Experience unmatched grip and precision with 18-inch Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on 18-inch wheels. Every turn, every straightaway, every drive is an exhilarating adventure. Slide into the luxurious black interior, where leather and suede bucket seats cradle you in comfort and style, perfectly complementing the car's dynamic performance. The 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster Spyder with DeMan Performance is not just a car, it's a testament to the fusion of innovation and driving passion, where power meets elegance and engineering meets its history.